Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you guys ever wondered how you put the convertible top down on a Honda S2000? Well, today I'm gonna show you. It's not as complicated as you might think, but it's very easy. And I'll show you guys the do's and the don'ts on doing this, because as you guys know, it's important to just follow things correctly. Otherwise, you're gonna damage your top, or it's not gonna really work. So we'll get right into it. First, I just wanted to let you guys know, feel free to browse my channel. There's different content on the Honda S2000. That way it may help you guys with any needs or anything that's wrong with the S2000. I'm gonna keep on posting different content, so stay tuned. And if you need anything, just feel free to let me know. That way I can make a video designated on something else that you guys might need concerning the Honda S2000 platform. And we talk about different cars as well. So if you guys are new to my channel, this is this is my channel where I talk about different vehicles, and also I talk about tech as well. So feel free to like, subscribe, and if you find this helpful, thank you very much, and leave a comment letting me know if you guys need anything for me to review on the Honda S2000 that you guys might need assistance with. So we'll get right into it. First off, the car, it needs to be in park. Obviously, it needs to be in neutral, and also with the e-brake on. So that's the main thing. Also, let's just get right into it. So with the car on in accessory mode, there's two latches on this car. You're gonna see it's this latch and it's this latch right here. So these two latches are what holds up the Honda S2000's top. That way it's nice and secure, it's snug. And also the Honda S2000 brings this thing where you, God forbid, if it gets stuck, anything, you can always pull it. So with that being said, these are the two latches that hold the top on. And if you try to hit the button, it's not gonna do anything, because those two latches are still there. So you want to have the car on, obviously. Have the car on. Make sure the parking brake is on. If the parking brake is not on, the top will not come down. That's a main thing, because it just won't. It has a safety mechanism that it just won't let it open up. So main thing, have the car on, neutral, parking, and let's take these two latches off. So the way you take these latches off, press here, open, and you're gonna see the little tab come up. So make sure the little tab is away from the lock itself right there, and that's how it should be. And then you go over here, same thing with this latch. I'll show you guys better. So press the button, let it come up, let the little tab not touch the lock itself. That way nothing is holding it back. And I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So we're right here. This is the button. So just press the button, and the top comes down. So as you guys can see, it works. So once the top comes down, then you're all good. If I'm going to show you how to bring it back up. So the windows do go down once the top goes down. The windows do come down as well, so that you guys know. And if you're gonna bring the top back on, you just hold it you see how it, yep, it comes up, and the windows stay down. That's one thing. So you manually have to just click on the button so that the windows come up. So this way you guys know how to do that. And what you do is, so in order to put back the latch, you unclip it. So press the button and put the tab in, and then you see how it locks. So same thing with this one. I'll show you guys better so that you can see it. So the little tab is away, so you press the button, make sure that the little tab is in the convertible top, and then it locks, and as you can see, it's pretty secure. It's not going anywhere. So this way you guys know how to put the top down on a Honda S2000, and you just bring up the switch. Same thing with this one. And that's pretty much it. Then you turn off the, but like I said, just make sure that the car is on, and you guys have the e-brake on, because it will not go down the top. It just won't. So if you guys like the video and you find it helpful, please let me know. Like and subscribe for more videos, more content to come. Been a little busy, but definitely gonna ramp up the good content. And if you guys have a Honda S2000, let me know as well. And this way we can interact with different things that in the Honda S2000 community. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and please like and subscribe, and hope this was informative. Yeah, a lot of times you just don't know how to put the top down, but this is the way to do it. E-brake, main thing. You just need to have the e-brake on. It's going to detect that you have it on, and then that way you can unlatch it and bring it back. So it's definitely gonna work. So guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.